Alright, what's up guys? How's everybody doing? Welcome to the video. It's been a while, several months in fact, since I've been out running errands on this thing. So I figured we were long overdue. Might as well go ahead and do that today. So I'm on my way to the post office currently, then I gotta stop and see what the gas situation is. I honestly don't have any idea how much gas is in this thing right now. Then I gotta go get some groceries. So yeah, that's what we're doing today, and I hope you enjoy it. I think I'm gonna go the long way around to the post office. I don't think I've ever been the long way around to the post office, or not this way I'm going anyway. It's definitely a little windier today than I would have liked. We're on flat ground and I can't get this thing to go more than 35. I haven't been riding this thing a lot this season because it's been windy every day, it seems like. And some days it's been really bad, but today it's only, 15 to 20 miles an hour. So, I mean, that's doable on this thing. It's not ideal, but it's not bad either. And I don't know where the hell I am. But we're going this way, and hopefully, eventually, it takes me where I'm going. Sometimes you gotta switch it up a little bit, keep it fresh. Go a different way, look at different things. The club at sunrise. There sure are plenty of places to play golf here in the Las Vegas Valley. And I don't know where the hell we are. I don't think this was the right way to go. Well, I know it wasn't the right way to go. But I don't know what is the right way to go from here, so I guess we'll go and figure it out. Stay in the bus lane till we get up to speed. Or maybe the whole time. I never knew this golf course was here, and I live like a mile and a half away. That's weird. Alright. Uh-oh. Get out of the way for the police. I thought I saw my gas light come on a minute ago. I could be wrong. It's hard to tell in the middle of the day, And I don't think this is the right way either. Am I ever going to go the right way? Can I get through this neighborhood? Doesn't say no outlet, so maybe. It's a perfect day to get lost anyway. I just hope I don't run out of gas. I gotta say, this is probably about the first time I've been lost in this valley. And as long as I can remember, well, it has to be at least a couple of years. Back to good old Sahara Avenue, but we need a cross street that connects us to Vegas Valley, which is where the post office is. It doesn't look like we're getting any closer to something like that. It's all neighborhoods and stuff. I don't know how I guess I've never been this way. I don't know how that's never happened after this amount of time living here. Alright, if this street doesn't take us where we're going, I guess I'm just going to have to turn around and go all the way back the way we came. Oh, this looks kind of almost half-assed promising. Is this it? Could this really be it? Did I really actually find the road that I was looking for? Yes! We did it. This is indeed the road I was looking for, and I am therefore the greatest navigator in the history of the world. Oh, sweet. Look at that awesome furniture. Might have to go back for that chair, actually. That's pretty cool. So, could it be I've already gone like 6 or 7 miles? So, I took the 7-mile way to the post office that's like a mile and a half away. But hey, it's a beautiful day, and I'm on a Ruckus, so it does not matter. Wow, look at all that. It looks like some sweet jumps over there, all that dirt and stuff. I think it'd be fun to go ride this thing around in there if I could find a way in. we really overshot the post office. This is gonna wind up being the 8 or 9 mile trip to the post office that's less than 2 miles away. Here we are. We'll make this the VIP scooter parking for today, since these people over here, I guess, didn't realize that that's actually the VIP scooter parking over there. Okay. Guess I can take you guys in for this part because I know how much you enjoy it. Let's go squirt a little bit of the Chevron into this stuff. $5.69 for 1 gallon of gas. I'd love to say that's the most I've ever paid for it, but I think it was $5.79 last time. Alright, that's about as full gets without spilling over. Let's see what the damage is today. Ooh, and it was only like half empty. $3.35, not too bad. I think we're gonna take the through the neighborhood way today and stay off the main roads because like I might have mentioned earlier, it's a little breezy and this thing does slow down a bit if you're going against the wind. Since I bought my car, which is about 5 months ago, I guess, I don't think I've gone to get groceries on this thing. Huh, I just realized that I guess it has been that long. So, but for about 8 months, this was my daily driver, and every time during that period that I needed groceries, I went and got them on this. We're coming up on that corner where that guy threw up that one time. You remember that? It's this corner right here. It's a very special and significant place. Alright, one nice thing about taking the scooter to get groceries is we get to park here in the VIP scooter parking. Yeah, buddy. And I'm gonna lock it up this time because even though I'm only gonna be in there for a few minutes, somebody's tried to steal this thing twice in the last 2 months, or last month actually. So I'm not taking any chances. Alright, I'm gonna go in and get some groceries and I'll show you how I pack them up. Alright, I didn't go too heavy on the groceries today. I really didn't need much, but I'm gonna show you how I pack this stuff up in case you've never seen it before. Put the heavier stuff in the middle, like towards the front of the bag if you have one like this. And then just kind of shove everything else in around it. I could have waited a couple of days for toilet paper, but I wanted to show you that you can get a couple of days worth of food and drinks and still easily cram a 6-pack of Charmin Ultra Soft in there and still have plenty of room left over. So that's how you do that. Nothing to it. Now, you're probably not going to want to go to Costco on a scooter or anything, you know, but 2 or 3 days worth of groceries. Hell, I've had a week's worth of groceries in this thing before, and it's been no problem. All right, let's get back to scootering. It's getting so hard to turn left out of that Walmart, especially on something that doesn't accelerate very fast. Alright guys, I guess that about concludes the errand running portion of the day and this particular scooter ride. I hope you've enjoyed it, and I sure look forward to seeing you again next time.